Shall we start the session?
Yeah.
Okay. See, the other day we are discussing about rate, right? Today we'll complete entire rate. We have discussed about rate header. In the rate header, we have all the rates, schemas, rate categories, everything. It's specific to the billing class and as well as division, correct? And as well as in the rate header level, we can see different permissibilities like register permissibility, device and facts permissibility, interval permissibilities. Based on our requirement, we need to choose all the rates. If it is register permissibility, then we need to assign the register operand and as well as validation class and a minimum portion. This is what we have discussed that day, correct? And as well as
Yes.
CONS_01. We'll try to create this rate. Today we'll see some FICA integration and as well as this rate configuration. Okay.
Okay.
Consumption charges. Division 01 0001. I'm taking this. Okay. This is the operand which we have created. So I'm taking the same thing. Or else if it is required, we can create the new operand also.
Okay.
In the rate header level, do you have any doubts or anything? Just please let me know, because it's a basic for each and every charge. If you want to map something, you need to map it over here itself. Okay. Then go to the rate steps level. As we discussed, in SAP has provided a few standard variant programs. Based on our scenario, we need to select proper variant. For example, if it is in DPC or some other cases, we'll select back billing, and some algorithmic logic purpose we use compute variant programs. If you want to add two factors or if you want to add two amounts or something, we need to different compute variant programs are available. So we need to check it and choose the proper variant program. And for demand calculations, demand variants are available. And for discounts purpose, discount variants are available. And dynamic DPC billing purpose, DPC BI is available. For any maintaining in some conditions, we have if variants and else and end if. In program level, how we maintain else and end if logic also, we can put it in the schema logic. And if you want to write any value in the installation facts, you need to use in fact variant programs. For flat rate billing purpose, we have lump sum variants, and for quantity consumption calculations purpose, we have quantity variants, quantity variants, and for calculating street lit charges, we have referral variants, and calculating rental charges, settle variants are there. Okay. Why I'm repeating these are the things, or no, it will keep on coming. So you should know for which variant program where we need to use it. Okay, so compute quantity 01, I am taking it. It's basically evaluates the quantity. Okay, so I am getting the quantity consumption from the register. So with the price, I need to calculate my consumption. So for that, this is the suitable place. And debit sub transaction, credit sub transaction, budget billing debit and budget billing credit sub transactions. These debit and credit sub transactions basically we will be maintaining or we will be creating it in FICA level. Murali, are you aware about this? Hello? Murali? I think he's not available. See, basically here for mapping this one, these are debit sub transactions, credit sub transactions. In your basically FICA consultant will do the configuration. Just for your understanding purpose, try to learn this. See, SPRO, their contract account receivables and payables, posting documents and document. Here we have maintaining document assignments. Oh, here main transaction and as well as sub transactions. You know, SAP has provided a few main transactions. One is 0, 100 and 0, 200, 0, 300. It's a you know, each and every client they use these are the main transactions. 0, 100 for billing purpose, periodic billing. 0, 200 is for final billing. 0, 300 for manual billing. Just blindly you can. Yeah, Manojit. See, basically three main transactions are available. One is 0, 100, 0, 200 and 0, 300. 0, 100 for consumption billing. Like when you create periodic billing, no, automatically 0, 100 will be triggered. If you create a move out, it's a final billing. Whenever you create a move out, also automatically final billing order will be generated. That time 0, 200 is the main transaction will be triggered. In a manual billing cases, 0, 300 will be triggered. Okay. So SAP has provided these are the main transactions, so you can use the same thing. And sub transactions, basically in any utility business, based on the requirement, we can use our own sub transactions. Just to go to the new entries. Here we need to select the utility company, and the main transaction will be, if it is periodic billing, let's take, I'm taking 0, 100, okay, 0, 100. And the sub transaction, you can give any name for this. Okay. So I'm giving CON, consumption credit, okay, because it will be credit and debit, right, sub transactions basically. Because whatever the amount it will be there, and when you create the invoice, that amount, it may be, sometimes it may be credit or sometimes it may be debit amount, correct? That credit and debit amount only, it will be posted to contract account receivables and payables. So just I'm creating that one. CON is this is the nomenclature I have given. CONC, that means consumption billing. Basically it's a consumption credit. CONC I have given. And utility company and 0, 100 COND. D means it's a debit, consumption debit. Okay, this is what I have given the nomenclature. So then save it. After saving this one, then we need to maintain these settings to our company code and as well as division. Okay. So define main transactions, select 0, 100, it's my main transaction is a 0, 100, and define sub transactions. My sub transaction is a credit, sorry, not this one, it's a consumption credit, right? Credit. Debit. So that is my credit amount and this is my debit amount. So just select this one and then configure general settings. go here and select this one, maintain attributes, go to the new entries. Company code is I'm taking the standard settings. Okay, company code I'm using
Okay.
0001 because
Mm-hmm.
okay 01, and this is a credit item. So my main transaction is 000 and the sub transaction will be CONSC. Okay, so it's created and save it, saving this one, and then go to the select 000 and the sub transaction COND debit amount, here COND, maintain, go to the new entries, debit amount 000 is my main transaction, sub transaction will be COND. Okay, it's a still it's a debit amount, so I need to select this one. Okay, this is the setting.
Okay.
Then save it, come back, we'll maintain a text for this. Okay, it's copied. Now CONC and COND we have created, right? So here we will be getting it. See, it's a debit sub transaction, correct? So this is the COND. This is what we have created just now. Okay, so select this one and CST. CST is a credit sub transactions.
Yes.
Okay, so this one we all need to assign. Yes, budget billing debit sub transactions and budget billing credit sub transactions also we need to assign that one. I'll show you where we need to define this one.
Okay.
Here maintain transactions for budget billing. Here is the place we need to maintain it.
Okay.
This is the place. Main transaction 0050, 0051. It's related to budget billing, not for our billing purpose. Okay.
Okay.
Got it? That is the reason we have not used 000 for this. Okay. So just leave it now. After this, periodic control. Periodic control we are using to the day, and variant control. This variant control, in variant control also, using the variant control you can control the variant, I mean your input and output operands basically. Okay, like if you are using if you are using if condition variant program, okay, when you compare two amounts, if you want to select highest amount, your condition is, it will be like this. You are at in in your input you are getting two amounts, in amount 1 and amount 2. Okay, in these, out of these two amounts you wanted to select highest amount.
Okay.
So in these cases, in a variant program level, we have so many variant programs, right? So if variant programs are also there for maintaining some conditions. See, I have amount. If I select this one, let's select this. So this is the variant control, right? So if you you want to select amount greater than amount 2, amount greater than or equal to amount 2, amount equal to amount 2. Which one you want to select it? It will be defining that one. Okay. So it's based on the variant program it will, I mean, system will automatically will propose some standard settings. If you use a quantity 01, there are no variant program, just info lines written about quantity. You select that one, okay?
Okay.
And then input and output operands. These input and output operands we need to assign it uh, against that variant program. Okay.
Okay.
If you select the variant program, my input operand, this is input operand category.
110 Q price.
Here, correct. So here I need to create one quantity based operand category and one more Q price operand category operands. And then my my output will be the amount. Okay. So now what I am doing, I will be creating one input operand register base, or else if you want to already we have created few things, so you can select the same thing.
Okay.
If you want to create, see, now you have reached this screen, you have not created the operand. Now you want to create your new operand. That time, like this is the way to create it. See, CONS consumption underscore price P. QP, let's give QP, quantity based price. Okay, so just double click on this one, so automatically you will reach to create operand in this place. Okay, so say consumption price. Consumption price, and then after saving this, just save it. So automatically you can create the required operand from here itself. And then output operand. Output operand CONS underscore amount AM. Just double click on this. I write down amount. And then save it. You're done with this. Okay.
Okay.
So and then come to these document line item types. Okay. So these document line item types will be used at the time of your logic, I mean ABAP logic. We have, when you create the billing document, these billing document line items, it will be stored it in DBERCH Z1 to Z8 tables. Okay.
Yes.
So if you use Z1 table, DBERCH Z1, it's for consumption will be stored. Okay, so based on these line items and as well as line item number and line item type also, it will be stored there. So just pick the line item type. I'll show you. See, this is the bell chart. Bell chart is the line item type. Okay.
Okay.
So we need to select, for example, if you create the separate line item type. Okay. So in ISU level, we can create separate line item types also. I'll show you where we need to create it. In different place. In utilities only. Under utilities, we have tools. Basically, at the time of configuration, these line item types and all, for in print workbench level and as well as report level will be used it. Okay. Just tools, go to the tools and system modifications. In the system modifications, we have billing. Under billing, just line item types. Define line item types. Here is the place you can define your own line item type, like what I am doing, consumption, that CON type, consumption line item type. and then just save it.
Mhm.
Okay, so when I'm creating a rate for this, so in document line item type level, I can use my configured line item type. This is the line item type I have created. Okay, this one I can use it. So at the time of billing, what will happen? Your amount, I
Okay.
mean posted amount, like we have, since we have assigned debit and credit sub transactions, so whatever the amount it will be there, it will be posted to against to the GL account where you assign main transaction, sub transaction assignment. So based on this, I mean that amount, it will be stored against to this line item type. Using this line item type, we can get that amount. So for picking the amount in above reports logic purpose or print workbench logic purpose, you can use this. Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah. No, this screen is very important. If you have any small
Yes.
doubt, just you ask me. Anything you ask me. If you have anything.
No, it's fine. Whatever you have.
Okay. Yeah. And then save it. Now this is how we need to create the rates. So okay, I'm getting quantity from the register, right? But I have not
Yes.
assigned any prices. The other day we have created the prices, right? For
Prices.
one
Yes.
unit,
Yes.
we need to assign the price for this, correct?
Okay.
So for no maintaining price, first we need to create a fact group.
Okay.
Basically, these fact groups, using the fact groups, I mean, using these fact groups for the same rate, you can assign it to different categories. Like, tell you. Okay, so I'm maintaining fact group as a 1000. It's for residential customers,
Okay.
and this fact group will be maintained at in the register level, or if it is in rental billing, then we will maintain it in the device level.
Device
Just
level.
remember
Yes.
it. Yes. Okay. Just save it. So this fact group I have created in IMG rates and define rate fact groups. Here is the place we have created the fact group. Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
If you want to note it down, you can note it down. And then
Yes, I
okay,
have.
now yeah, you want to note it down?
Yeah, I have already noted.
Okay. See, now facts are there. So fact group 1000 we have created, right? So just assign 1000 here. When you assign this one, so these are the operands which we have used it in rate steps level, correct?
Yes.
If you go to the rate steps level, see CO my input operands, basically consumption 03, it's a register based operand, so
Yeah.
I'll get a value from the register, and then CONS quantity based price. This is an input. Okay, I need to pass the input for this. So if I go to the my fact groups, 1000 is my fact group. Consumption quantity based price. So here is the place we need to assign our defined prices.
Okay.
While assigning any facts value, it may be price or it may be value or it may be factor or anything. some replacement values are available in SAP. It's a standard settings. These are the values, you know, you wanted to give, no, you wanted to use this operand as a normal operand value. Hello? Yeah, Manojit.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, you're asking something?
No, I just want to know what do you mean by this replacement value?
Yes, these replacement values, basically, that's what I'm going to be explaining you. See, these are the options are available. Okay, normal operand value, required value, optional value, runtime value. Now, if you select this runtime value, so that this operand value will be calculated in in schema level. I have so many rates I'll be maintaining. Okay, so at in runtime, some value will be calculated and it will be used over here for this operand. In runtime, it will happen. Okay.
Okay.
For this, we need to use these operands set in my schema logic level. And optional value. When you select this one, it's an option. If you want to maintain some value at in the facts level, you can maintain it. Otherwise, if you don't want to maintain any value, it's an optional basically. Okay. If you want to maintain something, you can maintain it. If you don't want to maintain anything, yes, it's okay, fine, no problem at all. Still, you can do your billing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
That is the optional value. And the required value. If you select this required radio button, you need to maintain some value. It may be, you know, basically these facts values.
It's mandatory.
Correct. It's mandatory. And just remember, this point is important. These facts values you can maintain it in 3 places. One is rate facts level, rate category facts level, and installation facts level.
Okay.
Okay. So the at present what we are doing is a rate facts level.
Okay.
Hello. It's a rate facts level, and then rate category we are going to be discussing tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So that will be the rate category facts, and then normal, and then installation facts level. When we created the installation, there also we have one option, facts. There also you can maintain it, but now if you maintain all these 3 places, which value system need to be picked up? No, for this, in SAP ISU level, some hierarchy it will be there. If you maintain any value at in installation facts level, system will pick that value first. So highest priority it will be at in installation facts level. Next priority will be at in rate category facts level, and third priority will be rate facts level. Okay. Just remember this. It's a important point because sometimes you may maintain some value at in rate level. Okay, let's say you can maintain different value at in rate level, different value at in rate category level, different value at in installation level. Okay. So whatever the value you maintain at in installation level, that value only it will be picked up. Remaining values it will be ignored. If you don't maintain any value in the installation level, then next priority it system checks it in rate category facts. If some value is there, it will be picked up. If it is not there, then it goes to rate facts level. If some value is there, it will be picked up. If you don't maintain anything, then system will throw the error that this operand there is no value have been assigned for this period. Just please check. Like that kind of errors you will get it at the time of billing. Okay. So when you assign some value at in facts level, just select this one, normal operand value. Okay. This is the valid from and valid to. I'm giving 0101 2012 and valid to always 31 12 9999.
9999.
Price. And price will be, you can create prices from here.
Okay.
I am creating the price from here. Just double click on this one. It takes you to prices, currency INR, price type, standard price, three prices we have, correct? Block price and scale price. You understood this one? What is standard
Yes,
price?
yes.
What is block and
Block
scale
price and scale price. Yes.
Correct. Okay, so I am giving consumption billing, and then go to the history. Here is the price. I am giving the value 01012012 0120122 3112,999. My quantity base is 1 per one unit. I wanted to give 100 rupees. Okay, and then copy it, then save it. Okay, go back, so automatically it will be accepted. So 100 rupees I have given, right? So that 100 rupees it has been picked up, and then transfer. Just click on this one. So now you have created the price, and as well as you have been transferred it to your rate tracks level, and then save it. This is how you need to create the rates.
Okay.
Okay, so here, you have any doubt, because it's very important. Anything?
Yeah, that's fine.
Small?
No, whatever you taught is very good and very.
Okay.
It's clear to me. No problem.
Okay. So now we have created the consumption rate. Okay. Now I need to create the schema for this. Okay. So schema is nothing but it's a group of rates.
Rates. Yes.
Yeah, it's a group of rates. For example, the other day as we discussed, we have one particular bill have consumption charges, rental charges, and the service charges. So, if you define all these charges at a rates level, like you have defined consumption charges, right? The same way if you define your rental charges, the same way if you define your service charges, okay? All these charges you can maintain it in the schema level. Okay,
yes.
so create schema. This is my consumption underscore 01. Click on this one. Consumption billing. Go to the schema steps. Okay, here is the place we have insert rate. Are you seeing? Okay.
Yes.
See, basically what I have done, I'll show you again. Just give some text for the billing schema. Double click on this, click on that, and then give your billing class and as well as division. Yes. As we discussed, each and everything like your prices, your rate type, your rate schema, rate category, everything it's specific to billing class and as well as division.
Division, yes.
Okay, then go to the schema steps. Click on the schema steps. Here we have different options. Schema header. If you want to go to the schema header, you need to click this one so that you can reach the schema header. If you want to, insert some rates here, then insert rate is there. Just click on this one, insert rate. Okay, then rate. Click on F4 so that you can get the rate which we have defined. Select this one and then execute it. This is the rate we have defined. Okay. Now the rates have been assigned here.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we have one checkbox have been checked automatically. Okay. It's a posting relevant.
Okay.
See, basically we have been assigned our consumption distribution. Sorry. debit subtransaction, credit subtransaction, budget billing debit and budget billing credit subtransactions over here, right? So that means some amount will be posted against to these sub and main transactions to assigned GL account, correct? So that is the reason if you want to post it, you need to check this box. If you don't want to post it, you just uncheck this one, so that amount will be calculated, but it will not be posted to GL account. Okay, but usually when you select these sub and main transactions, you need to check this one, sub transaction. And we have one more option here, I. If you want to ignore, for example, in your schema logic, 100 or 200 schema steps, if you want to ignore some step set in your schema level, you can ignore this one. Just click on this one, so that that particular step which will not be executed at the time of a billing engine. Okay, this is the way to ignore your billing step. And then these are the pre-sorting keys, pre-sorting key 1 and pre-sorting key 2. In maximum cases, we don't use these pre-sorting keys basically will be used for printing purpose. SAP has provided pre-sorting key 1 and pre-sorting key 2 for picking value at in print workbench level. But in real time, we don't use these pre-sorting keys. We use document line item types. Based on the document line item type, we'll pick the amounts and we do the remaining things. Okay. Good, new entries, 1000. Okay, so these pre-sorting keys basically we don't use it at the time of printing. So based on our logic, whatever the amount I need to pick it up as a line item 1, line item 2, line item 3. Based on the logic, I can pick it up and I can display it in the printing level. Okay, that I can do it using the tables and as well as these document line item types. Okay. After that, just save the schema. Okay, so this is how we can define our schema. Okay,
Okay.
and then rate category. CONS underscore 01. Division will be 01. Go to the rate category and consumption rate category. I'll explain you outsorting checking group at the time of outsorting concept. Okay, now just leave it. Now billing schema. So this is the schema which we have defined now, right? So assign this billing schema. Okay, hello, are you there? Hello, hello Manojit. Hello. Hello. Hello.
One second, నేను అతను కాల్ చేస్తున్నాను.
Hello.
రమణ నేను ఒకసారి కాల్ చేస్తాను. Manoj, you're not responding in GoToMeeting. Okay, but cannot hear your voice. Fine. You're connecting again.
Yeah,
Okay,
I am back.
no.
Hello.
Yeah, no issue. See, you have seen the rate category, this billing schema and all.
Yeah.
I'll show you again.
Okay.
Just click on the rate category and then division. This outsorting, outsorting check group, I'll explain you at the time of outsorting concept.
Okay.
Billing schema. This is the billing schema which we have created just now. So assign this one. At the time of rate category facts discussion, I have explained you about we can maintain the facts values at in rate level, rate category level, and as well as installation facts level, right?
Okay.
So rate level we have seen. This is the rate category facts. Here is the place, if you want to maintain some value, you can maintain it. So this is the operand quantity price operand created. So it's a maintaining date 01012012 is a maintaining date from which date onwards it is valid. Okay, so same values like a normal operand value, required value, optional, runtime. These are the same options you'll be getting it here. and 0, you know, if you maintain the value here 31,12,999, if you want to assign the same value, same price, you can do that, or else if you want to maintain some different value, different price, that also it is possible. So I'm maintaining 02 because 01 already okay. QP1 I'm maintaining because rate facts level I have maintained QP, right? So here let's maintain QP1, quantity based price 1, and then it's a consumption billing. Go to the facts level, give the value from date is a quantity based price, and price amount, it you can give anything. Okay, save it. No, sorry. Copy it and then save it. Okay, so transfer. So you have maintained 100 rupees at in rate facts level and 150 rupees at in rate category facts level. So at the time of billing engine, it checks first initially, it checks it in installation facts level whether value is available or not. Okay, value is not there, and then it checks it in the rate category facts level. If the value is available, and then it picks the value from there, and it will be it evaluate with the quantity and you will get the amount. If value is not there, and then it goes to rate facts level, and then it checks the prices whether a valid price is available or not for the particular period. If it is there, then it will do the billing. Okay. Yeah. This is about the rate category. So, and tomorrow we'll see the rate determination, and we'll summarize. We'll create different prices. Today we have created consumption price. Register based operands we have created, right? So tomorrow we'll create a rental price, and as well as rental charges and flat rate charges. Okay.
Okay.
And then rate determination we'll do it, and then we'll see the invoicing part. After completing invoicing part, then we'll see the device management, and then different scenarios we'll check it out. Okay, after creating device and installation, okay, we'll do the remaining part. Okay. Yeah. If you have, just to practice it, these master data and all.
Tomorrow will be the same.
I think, yeah, same time.
Okay.
Shall we start bit before?
Okay.
8:30 around. Is it okay?
Yeah, I have no issue. 8:30 is good for me. It's good. It's good for me. Yeah, 8:30
okay.
is good for me.
Okay, we'll start at around 8:30 because you know Murali he could not attend the because of him only we have changed the timings. I think today he has missed the class, so there is no point to start the session at 9:30. So for you, I'll take 8:30. For him, we'll discuss and we'll take it in different time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Manojit.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Bye.